Go to You May Have Missed segment in Footer options. There are two available layouts. Determine the number of columns. You can enable section title and edit the title. Select post categories, post tags, post authors, post to include, and post to exclude. Choose the order of display of posts. Determine the number of posts to show. You can also add offset. There is also an option to hide posts with no featured images. Show title, choose title tag, show categories, date, author, select date icon, the alignment of elements, image size, image ratio. Border type, border radius, box shadow. In Design tab, you can select block title color, border, border thickness, border radius, box shadow. Padding. In post colors, you can select background color, post title border, border radius, box shadow. In section title typography, I'm selecting Laura. And semi-bold font weight. Uppercase letters. In title typography, same Laura font. Semi-bold italic. In category, Open Sans font family. Uppercase letters. Bold font weight. In author, same Open Sans. Same Open Sans in date, medium font weight. Customization is complete. Now let's publish it.